So guys, if you watch closely, you see that this week we've made $200 on Clickbank. Wow. And we made these sales yesterday and the day before yesterday. There is this new method I discovered on Clickbank, how you could make some money free without running ads, without Facebook, Twitter, TikTok ads, YouTube ads, no ads at all, guys. It's all free. You don't have to pay anything. I've been away from Clickbank for some time now, and then I started using that method on Saturday. You can see we had a first sale. On Sunday, no sale. On Monday, we have another sale using that same method. And today, Tuesday, we're expecting a sale very soon. So let me check my reporting, so you see that this is not some BS or fake screenshots. My screen is loading. Oh wow, you can see here Exipure. We made those sales from Exipure. You can see here $200 from Exipure. Wow, guys. So I'm going to teach you, I'm going to show you how to make this. It's very free. You don't have to pay anything. All you have to do is watch this video, share this video, like this video. I need 100 views on this video. I'm going to drop that method. Once we have 100 views, I'm going to drop that method free of charge.